Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Chuna El Paguya.
What is your age?
I'm 35 years old.
What year were you born?
January 14, 1980.
Do you have a valid work permit and Hong Kong identity card?
No.
Do you have a valid passport?
Yes.
Do you smoke?
No.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To earn money for the future of my children.
What is your hometown?
Butuan City.
What is your level of education?
High school graduate.
Are you married or single?
Single.
Do you have children?
Yes.
How old are they?
1 year old and 2 years old.
Who can take care of them?
My live-in partner.
How many people are there in your family?
8 people, 1 brother and 5 sisters including me.
Do you have financial commitments to support any or all of them?
No.
If they fall sick, who can take care of them?
My brother and sisters.
Do you have any debts, either here or in your home country?
No.
Do you owe an employment agency any money?
No.
How many years of experience do you have?
2 years.
What do you enjoy the most about the job?
To taking care my employer's daughter.
What do you enjoy the least?
None.
Do you have allergies for food,
No.
drugs, detergents?
No.
Are you afraid of pets?
No.
How do you handle conflict with your previous employers?
I say sorry and keep quiet.
Do you accept no day offs, but to be paid by your employer?
Yes.
In your last place of employment, were both employers working?
Yes.
Was your role primarily childcare or housework?
Taking care the child.
How many hours each day do you work?
8 hours.
Do you have a first aid certificate?
No.
Would you be willing to attend such a course?
Yes.
If my child burnt their hand on the iron, what would you do?
I give her first aid and call my employer.
If my son was being very naughty when you were babysitting him, what would you do? How would you discipline him?
I'll be patient and teach him to be good.
Are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes.
Can you cook?
Yes.
Which cuisines are you familiar with?
Filipino food and a bit of Chinese food.
Would you be willing to cook vegetarian or Chinese food?
Yes.
Can you speak Cantonese?
No.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes.
What do you like to do in your spare time?
Resting.
Do you have any hobbies or special skills like dancing or painting?
No.
What is your message to your employer?
Go this, sir, ma'am. My name is Chuna El Paguya. I'm 35 years old. I have 2 children. I'm kind, patient, respectful, and honest. I can cook, I can clean, and take care of your children. Please hire me. I promise to you I can do my duties. Thank you very much.
Sing one nursery rhyme.
My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. We all clap, clap, sing together. Thank you.